How do you think usually you can get to a multimillionaire? You gotta golf where they golf. You gotta chill where they chill. You gotta live where they live. That's how you get into this network, right? This product allows you to get in front of these business owners because you have something that they want. Usually it's the other way around. Clients say, pull me out 5 bathrooms. It's not about a $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 project. The sale, the psychology, and the closing is totally different compared to when you're gonna go buy a car. All right, let's say you have a $5,000 budget. You go call OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, you go to these small dealers. It's $5,000, ¿me entiendes? Either you want it or you take it, y más nada. But now go to a dealer and your truck is what, 60, 70 grand, right? At the end of the day, when they go in there, test drive, the features and benefits of the car. Let's go, look at the leather, look at the inside. Hey, we have different trim options, right? They're not gonna sell you on a $70,000 car. They're gonna go on how much you can pay a month. $500 a month, $1,000 a month. Even when you buy a house, you're gonna pay $3,000 a month. Not, the house doesn't cost $300,000 or $800,000. Smartphone is gonna be very similar to that. When a client already goes and says, give me a price for my entire house, I sometimes take it out the table. Let's say, hey man, it's not common to do smartphone in the entire house. I recommend you start with the most important areas, like your front entrance, like your bathroom, like your kitchen. Once you love the smartphone and how it functions, how it works, and how it looks on these areas, you're gonna wanna do the entire house. That way you don't waste your time in quoting out something that's gonna be 20 grand and they only had a budget for 5 grand.
Now they don't do anything.
Now they don't do anything.
Yes,
¿Me entiendes? So that's how I like to work my proposals, where in my solutions, I don't know, what do you use for your systems of estimating?
I was gonna ask you that with Tinwist.
Perfect. Been using Tinwist for about 4 or 5 years now. Now, when you have your solutions, right? Let's say you go to a house and in your consultation, you already advise them that smartphone can be applied for different rooms. And they're like, oh yeah, give me a quote for everything. That's what you want. You wanted to pre-pitch that smartphone can be applied for different rooms, even though that they called you just for one area. Could be, it happens either they called you because they know they want it in different areas, or they called you because they wanted it just in one area. So now when you give your Tinwist proposal, solution number 1, bathroom. Solution number 2, bathroom number 2, or kitchen or living room. So now you're gonna have 4 solutions, right? 4 different rooms. But my 5th solution, I put all areas with a discount. To tell you how I do it. Projects that have more than 100 square feet or meet at 100 square feet, I offer a 10% discount. If you are a project at 200 square feet, I offer a 20% discount, and up to 300, 30% discount, because smartphone adds up. Just a 100 square foot project is 10 grand at $100 a square foot, round number. 200 square foot project is how much? 20 grand. And then a 300 square foot project is 30 grand. ¿Me entiende? So I say, hey, I'm able to give you my maximum discount because you're the owner. You framing has to be a little different, your wording. ¿Me entiende? Because you meet a 100 square foot minimum, I can give you a max 10% discount. That way they know the more they add, the better price they get. So that's why I break down my proposals in that way. Solution number 1, each area. And then the last solution is our areas with the discount that they qualify for. And then, so that way there's some give and take. If you really want to close that project, I've used where it's like, hey, if you allow me to take a video, right, of your project, if you give me a Google review, these are little sales tricks, ¿me entiende? People want deals. They want to negotiate. Okay, cool, I'm gonna negotiate, but not for free. You're gonna give me something in return. It's gonna benefit me. ¿Me entiendes? That's how I see it. It's a win-win. I've learned that, you gotta cut this out, leave that out. When you are selling to your clients, right? In your case, you're able to give that discount because you're not marketing. You don't have an ad budget. At this point right now, more than ever, you have the margins for it. And that's what you utilize to close projects. Now, you're not gonna need that all the time. When you're dealing with multi-millionaires, bro, I have clients that al revés, I charge more. When I have to drive over an hour, I'm not charging at 95, I'm charging at 105. They don't beat an eye. Boy, this is a price. If you go there and do everything that I just told you, that's why I focus a lot on in the first hours here in that, explaining to you the wiring, explaining to you the control options, explaining to you how it needs to be integrated, whether you're doing it yourself or you have another company doing it for you. Because man, that's the difference, Jimmy. I fucking kid you not. That right there, that guidance, that fucking, the assurance that you have of what you do and how it needs to get done is what these companies need. Because when you're dealing with these companies that they're building a $5 million house, a $10 million house, they need you to be on there, especially if you feel that you're not there yet. One thing is not being fully comfortable or fully, fluent with the installation yet, but practice this, ¿me entiende? Role play. First month, the next 30 days is going to be a transition for you. This is an information overload, ¿me entiende? We're going to have all this in our training. We're uploading videos on a weekly basis. So when you're driving, taking shit, when you go to sleep, put 20 minutes of this. You're learning, you're constantly retraining your subconscious mind to understand what the transformer is, to understand the smart film, to understand the wiring, to understand all this. All this is being recorded for that purpose, especially you. I want you to see these videos back again. You're gonna see yourself, it's gonna be more personal. That's what I do with all the trainees. And just watch it, and then watch what I'm saying about this, about that, about the wiring, because when you meet with these clients, once again, how do you think usually you can get to a multimillionaire? You gotta golf where they golf. You gotta chill where they chill. You gotta live where they live. That's how you get into this network, right? This product allows you to get in front of these business owners because you have something that they want. Usually it's the other way around. So this is aside from the installation where you're learning. I want you to understand the real power of iTints. You got something that multimillionaires want. And from there is how Jimmy is gonna scale his business. Whether you funnel it back to your tints. ¿Entiendes? You know what I've done before? When I do big projects, I've done it where I give the tints for free. Bro, I'll do your tints for free. And I'll call my uncle, which is one of my old installers. Yep. That's what they do my residential for. And they do mostly cars. If we close this project, bro, I'll do your car for free. Imagínate tú. ¿Entiendes? Because you just charge them 20 grand, 30 grand. What's $200-300 bucks, bro? Yeah. Are you crazy? You know what I'm saying? So that's how things of that nature. ¿Entiendes? You're getting now a product in front of these builders, these big time companies where you're gonna position yourself in a different way, where I want you to understand that this is gonna grow quick, dog. ¿Entiendes? You're the only one that's doing this in the island, doing cross promotion. Hey, we have our certified technician in Key West and we're marketing it, and I feel comfortable because you got taught. Just get ready, dog. ¿Entiendes? Give you a little bit of foundation of everything from the psychology, from the mindset that you got to get into. I learned this when I used to do tints in cars for Ferrari and Lamborghini, because when I used to do tints in cars, have you ever heard of the auto firm here in Miami? They've been around, the garage. They've been around for ages. Yep. And I used to do the cars when I was young, so I was like 14, 15 years old. He then opened up a shop called the Auto Firm. So shout out to Alex Vega, super cool, amazing guy. Does a lot of crazy, huge builds, has his own line of his product. It's called the Borza. Long story short, he needed always a tinter. I used to do his tints for him in his shop, but then a lot of these high-end clients don't have time to take their cars to a shop. ¿Me entiendes? So he said, hey Manny, I got a client, go do his house. Okay, Brickell, Miami Beach, esto lo otro. So I started swimming in that world. And he's like, Manny, Lamborghini needs, because obviously he deals with Lamborghini all the time, Lamborghini needs somebody to be there doing their tints. He plugged me up with Lamborghini. He plugged me up with, Champion Porsche. He plugged me up with Mercedes Fort Lauderdale. So I used to go there and do the tints for them, right? I used to just pull up in that motherfucker, but do all the cars. So I started seeing and dealing with people de dinero, ¿me entiendes? And when you deal with them, it's a different client, ¿me entiendes? These clients value expertise, professionalism, punctuality, products that no one else has. Bro, this product sometimes is asked for just because it's different. Cool factor.
Come to my house and look.
Yeah, bro, I kid you not, bro. I couldn't make this shit up if I wanted to. They want something different. Literally, social media. So then he sends me a screenshot from, it was TikTok, the builder from up north, Instagram, right? Came in, hey, I'm a builder in, what was it? Port St. Lucie? Fort Pierce? Jupiter, right? And big money out there, nigga. Jupiter. And I already done work up all, por allá arriba. Hey, I am opening up a showroom in the next couple of months. I'm looking for products that stand out. Así mismo, word by word. Products that stand out. Cool. Saw it. Called them in the morning, didn't pick up. Text him in the afternoon. Called them again in the afternoon, right? He answered, hey, when it's people like that, you gotta be directly to it. They don't have time for picking up the phone. Hey, I have an availability tomorrow to get on a call in the morning or in the afternoon. Hey, morning, send me a Google calendar invite. Boom, done, booked. Got on the call with him. Bro, the guy has 7 companies. 6 companies opening up 7th company, which is gonna be our interior home show. So he's gonna bring in product and services from vendors that are unique for his own projects. But he also works with a lot of interior designers, builders, and stuff like that. So he's like, this is an amazing lineup for my businesses, because it's something that 1 is needed, 2 no one does, and 3 I see the potential. Automated, smart voice controlled, smart home integratable, cool factor, needed, and sun control. I think it's an all-around fucking product. And then little to no competition. So you understand more of what you got a la mano, at hand. I don't expect you to like start fucking doing super mega mansions mañana. But definitely this is the beginning, ¿me entiende? The beginning that if we do this right and you're really with it, ¿me entiende? And you start practicing in your house and get more comfortable in your showroom, in your office, right? You reach out to a few builders, you start getting your hand wet, right? And I'll tell you, okay, yeah, bro, you could do this, ¿me entiende? Hey, let's do this. I can aid you in your sale, ¿me entiende? Hey, Manny, I got tremendo developer, I got tremendo client, he's a window company interior designer. Hey, I reach out to him, I set a meeting. I think I'm going with you. I'm your iTints rep. 3M does that all the time. 3M accompanies their dealers when they have big contracts, especially commercial. I'll do that same thing with you. Hey, Manny, I set this client up. We go out there. We do what we call a vendor's presentation or a lunch and learn. Lunch and learn is a little bit more advanced, right? Which is used as a way to sit with their team so that they can know about this product and know how to sell it more to their clients. But it starts as a vendor presentation. And the presentation is rapidito, 10, 20 minutes, quick little intro, little gift bag with 3, 4 samples, a little clicker. They get a product, a spec sheet. We tell them what we're doing, the type of product, what it is, have they heard of it, have they not heard of it, done. Hey, but we would like to get a meeting with your entire team. Is the owner available? Is your project coordinator? Are your estimators available? Your team. That way we get this vendor presentation and we actually bring you guys there.